These are they which from of old have obtained unity. Heaven obtained unity by purity. The earth obtained unity by repose. Spiritual beings obtained unity by lack of bodily form. The valleys obtained unity by fulness. All beings obtained unity by life. Princes and people obtained unity by being under the rule of heaven. These all obtained permanence by unity. The innermost of heaven is purity. If not so, it would be obscured. The innermost of earth is repose. If not so, it would disintegrate. The innermost of spiritual beings is lack of bodily form. If not so, they would die. The innermost of valleys is fullness of water. If not so, they would be sterile. The innermost of creatures is life. If not so, they would perish. The high honor of prince and people is in their being together under the rule of inner life. If not so, they would soon lose harmony. The root of honor is in humility. The standpoint of high estate is in lowliness. That is why prince and people call themselves orphans, solitary men, chariots without wheels. The active principle of their unity is in lowliness. Who can deny this? If you take a chariot to pieces, you have no chariot. It has lost its unity. Do not desire to be isolated as a single gem, nor to be lost in a crowd as pebbles on the beach.